In this video, I'll show you how to safely reset Chrome on Windows. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows PC. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced. Under the Reset and Clean Up section, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation box will appear. Click Reset Settings to continue. Chrome will now reset automatically. Extra tip: after resetting, restart your PC for best performance. That's it. Chrome is now reset and working like new. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more PC, browser, and app fixes.